These trucks are everywhere if you know where to look. Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, auction sites, even rental companies selling off old fleets. A 16-foot to 26-foot truck is usually the sweet spot. Compact enough to drive without special training, but tall and wide enough to give you legit room to stretch. You'll find hotspots for this lifestyle in places like Colorado, where conversion companies thrive, and California, where the DIY crowd is booming. But honestly, delivery trucks retire in every state, which means opportunities are literally parked all over America waiting to be scooped up. Now picture yourself pulling into a quiet forest road, solar panels humming on the roof with nothing but the sound of the wind and your coffee brewing inside. That's the kind of peace box truck living delivers, like no mortgage, no landlord breathing down your neck, no endless clutter swallowing your time. These trucks let you slip into city streets too, blending in with FedEx vans and delivery rigs, urban camping at its stealthiest. People call them urban ninjas for good reason. It's a strange mix of calm and power, the calm of being debt-free and surrounded by what matters, and the power of knowing you can pick up and leave whenever you want. DIY conversions run anywhere from $15,000 to $50,000, including the cost of the truck. That's the range where you get insulation, basic plumbing, maybe even a sleeping loft and a functional kitchen. If you want to hire professionals, you're looking at around $45,000 just to start, not counting the truck. Add in extras like AC, heaters, or a full bathroom, and the price tag can hit $75,000 or more. But here's the key perspective. Even at the high end, you're still buying freedom for half or less than what the average down payment on a house costs. And unlike a house stuck to one address, this one rolls wherever you want. Hidden costs, the real talk. Yes, there are a few curveballs. Old trucks can need mechanical work. Insurance is a bit trickier than insuring a car. Solar panels, water tanks, and good insulation will add to your upfront spend. But instead of feeling like a burden, most owners see these costs as upgrades. Every tweak you make, whether it's swapping out a roll-up door for a proper entry or dropping in solar panels, adds real quality to your life without draining decades of income. It's not money lost, it's money shifted into freedom. But beyond the practical stuff, the biggest advantage is the mental reset. Living in a box truck tiny home shrinks your space, but it expands your life. You cut the debt, the clutter, and the stress. Suddenly, you've got time and money to spend on actual experiences, adventures, friendships, hobbies. Some owners describe it as trading possessions for stories, and honestly, that's the kind of wealth most people crave without even realizing it. Across the country, more people are waking up to this idea. College kids using them to dodge brutal rents, retirees downsizing into a rig that doubles as a road trip dream, full-time travelers who would rather collect memories than mortgages. Whole communities are popping up where box truck owners gather to share tips and show off their builds. Like, the vibe is the same everywhere. People are tired of being weighed down, and this lifestyle feels like breaking free. So yeah, the box truck tiny home isn't just a cheap housing option, it's a mindset shift. A way of saying, I want less stress and more life, and for the price of a used car and some sweat equity, you can make it happen. That's not just a home, it's an escape hatch into a freer way of living.